Hi everyone. In this presentation, you will be studying flocking behavior in birds. Birds of a feather flock together. This is a proverb that means that people who have similar ideas and values, they often congregate or they tend to stick together. So let us see what this proverb has to do with our topic, that is flocking behavior in birds. This is for MSc 3rd Sem Zoology students, Paper 2 and Unit 3, and myself Dr. Jayashree Balasubramanian. So flocking, it's a most interesting aspect of bird behavior. It is very amazing to watch in a clear sky millions of birds moving together in beautiful patterns and often changing the pattern or shapes within a flickering of eye. The sight is so beautiful and wonderful. So flocking behavior is a behavior exhibited when a group of birds called a flock are foraging or in flight. These are similar to shoaling behavior of fishes, where the fishes also move in a group in water in order to share or go in search of food, source of food or proper environmental condition, etc. The swarming behavior of insects and herd behavior of land animals. So in other organisms also we can see this aggregation of members of the same species for the purpose of sharing a food source or migration or even for spawning purpose. Many bird species are gregarious and they form flocks of groups of different numbers for different reasons. The flocks may be of different sizes and they occur in different seasons also. And they may be even composed of different species sometimes, and that can work well together in a group. So the flocking has both benefit and disadvantages. So let us see what are the mechanisms that is involved in the flocking and what are its advantages and disadvantages. So let us see how birds fly together. Here, watching a massive collection of birds floating across the sky like an unpredictable wave, it's difficult to comprehend how these birds can fly in formation without the aid of high-tech location equipments. These patterns may look like the result